Hello ma'am, may I know which editorials are worth going through in today's newspaper?
Yes, definitely. There's a very important article in the Hindu's editorial section today. So come, let's have a look. The article is: a social media ban will not save our children. Now, what is this article saying? See, the article says banning social media will not automatically protect children. Many adults think that kids are addicted to social media, so let's just ban it. But the author argues here that this is too simple for a very complex problem. Now, what exactly is the background of this whole issue? So, the background is that many countries are worried about children's mental health, online addiction, cyberbullying, harmful content, body image issues. Some governments are trying age-based bans on social media. India is also debating stricter digital laws for children. So the question is banning social media really the solution? Now, in February 24, 2026, three sisters aged 12, 14 and 16 ended their lives in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, leaving behind their family and a country struggling to comprehend the horror. And this is where the background comes from. Why banning social media won't work? Because number one, mental health problems are deeper than social media. Okay, so mental health again is very important. Anxiety, depression, loneliness don't come only from Instagram or Snapchat. Family pressure, exams, inequality, lack of support system also matters. A ban treats the symptoms, not the root cause of the problem. Example, taking away a phone won't automatically make a child happy. Second problem is that children will find workarounds. Now, tech-savvy kids can fake age, use parents' accounts, shift to unregulated platforms. So bans may push children into more unsafe digital spaces. The third is that one rule cannot fit all children. Not all children use social media the same way. For many, it gives community a sense of belonging, space for expression, especially for marginalized groups. A total ban ignores these realities. Fourth is the problem is not just users but big tech. Now, what exactly is this problem? Platforms are designed to keep users scrolling, maximize profits out of them, use addictive algorithms. Instead of banning children, government should regulate platforms. All right, what should be done instead? Now, thus there are solutions also which have been suggested. So, stronger regulations of social media companies, safer design standards for children, digital literacy for parents, mental health support in schools, parental involvement, not blind control. The goals should be healthy digital environment, not total isolation of children. Okay, now there are multiple dimensions of this topic. So the first dimension is the social dimension: child mental health, parenting challenges, changing childhood in digital age. Second is the legal and governance dimension. Now, regulation versus censorship, children's right versus state control, accountability of tech companies. Then there is a technological dimension as well: the algorithm prediction, data privacy, platform design ethics, and lastly there is an ethical dimension to all this. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this article. It is highly relevant for GS paper 2, for GS paper 4, and for essay also this becomes important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.